the last session, we have discussed about NumPy. But today we are going to be discussing about Py, Pandas. Today we're going to be discussing about Pandas. For that, let it be create a new file. The file name is anything you can able to give. So Pandas. But today we are going to be experience reading files. Okay, dot extension what dot extension of IPY NP. Okay, this is an exactly our file. So once it be described, but let it be explained what is pandas. Let me explain this. What exactly this panda? Okay, so pandas is a popular library in our Python. It is for what? Data analysis. For what purpose we are using this? A data analysis. Analyzing a data in and manipulate. So we can able to work with structural data like tables, similar like Excel, spreadsheets, SQL tabular data, we can able to handle. Got it very clearly? By using Panda, we can able to handle structural data like tables, like Excel data, like so SQL database, whatever may be. So by using pandas, we can able to cleaning and preparing data. So we can able to do reading and writing data from CSV files, Excels, database, and so many. Got it. We can able to filter the data and sorting and grouping data and performing calculation on top of it and statistics. And we can able to handle the missing values. If any missing value, none value, definitely we can. Okay, it is very powerful, easy to use, integrates well with order of tools like NumPy also. Whatever we have experienced in the last class, last session, the NumPy also we can able to use here for what purpose actually? For numerical operations like math, a plot lab, a Seaborn, and visualization, machine learning libraries. For these are all the cases which we can able to use pandas. Got it. And one more. The core data structure, the core ideas, two things you have to remember. So data we can able to handle multi-dimensions. Data we can able to handle with multi-dimension. If it is single dimension, that we calling as what? Series. Please remember, please keep in this mind. If you are handling a single dimension, that we calling as what? Series. If it is a table, means what? If it is a multi-dimensions like rows and columns, that we calling as what? Data frames. Please, the terminology is very important. I'll repeat again. If it is a one column of data, a single column, that we are calling as what? Series. If it is a table of column, rows and multiple columns, multiple tables, that we calling as what? Data frames. And we can able to different operations that we can able to do. Clear? So what is the panda basically? So we can able to, please, by helping of pandas, we can read, write files like CSV files, Excel, database data. That is a major thing, but internally we can able to use pandas. Please keep in this mind. But data are two types. Core data structures are two types, a series and data frames. Please, this terminal is very important. And before move forward, okay, anyway, we have to install pandas. So two ways, as we discussed, we can install from a requirement file. Yes, we have a requirement files, whatever the libraries we have to keep here. And please be conda install, r-r, your requirement file, am I right? Automatically these libraries will be installed, or else directly also we can able to install. How? Pip install pandas. Sorry. Pandas. So please be select which environment you have to select environment because of for every new file we need to select. We need to select environment. Still the environment is selecting. Yeah. Once if it is select environment, the kernel automatically pick up and it is starting installation. Is our pandas are installing or not? Tell me. So once if it is pandas install, then we need to import. So with as what? Alias names. With what exactly? Alias names, guys, please. How? Please import pandas as what? PD. You can name anything, maybe my PD or anything. Okay, just be give the standard name, alias name is what? PD. The same way we can able to use internally pandas NumPy also. Please be call NumPy as what? NP. Alias name is what? NP. We can call panda as an PD. NumPy as what? NP. Please be execute. Then it will be loaded this alias names. Once if it is loaded, then we can able to create a data frames. Data frames, as we discussed in the beginning. Okay, two things. One is we can create data frames. Data frames is nothing but what exactly, guys, please? A data frame is nothing but what exactly? Please, anybody help me? Please. So please, anybody?
Table.
Tables and rows and columns. Series means what? Anybody?
Single column.
That is very important. Okay. But as of right now, what we're going to be creating? Data frames. So please be go for DF. I'm going to be giving a short name as DF. Data frames we're going to be creating with help of Panda. So alias name we can call as what? Alias name. So Panda under alias names we have a what are the function we are going to be using? Data frame. Am I right? So in the data frame, we need to provide a data. So as we discussing in the last session, NumPy. So in the last session, we can able to create a data also or not. We can able to create data with 0 to 100, only 10 values. And in previously also, here is what? Create a data with what? 0 to 10 and reshaping with what? Dimensions, what exactly reshaping dimensions? Please. Shape is we can able to use 2 to 5, am I right? We can shape like this. The same thing which we can able to, whatever we have experienced the same thing, we're gonna be using in pandas. In pandas, we need to call NP. Means what? NumPy. So array means what? We need to provide data, am I right? As we discussed in the last session, array means what? Array means what? We need to we need to give the data. But arrange means what? Arrange. Arrange means what? Arrange. So randomly we can able to get a data. So from where exactly the values which we can able to take it 0 to 20. And I want to reshape this 20 values. I want to reshape. Reshape with what? Five rows. 5 rows with 4 columns. That's it. Got it. Let it be an execute whether it is whether it is works or not. Print data frame. Print data frame. Is this R data frame printed or not? Tell me. Is this what exactly? Understand? NumPy is we are using. The values we are taking from range from 0 to 20. The reshaping with what? Tabular data. Tabular data means with columns and rows, 5 column, 4. But this we calling as what? That we are into the data frame. Data frame. So what is the data frame, guys, please? So here is NumPy array object, whatever maybe, please, you can take a help from, we can able to. But I want to specify the column names. I want to specify the row names. I want to specify the column names and row names. For that, I need to go for the option called index. Okay. So I can declare rows and columns. Row one. Let me go for R capital letter. Row one, comma, row two, comma, row three, comma. Okay. So row four. How many columns, how many rows, guys, please? Anybody help me? Please help me. 5 rows, am I right? As we discussed, here is the 5 number. I need to create how many rows, guys, please? 5 rows. Then the names which I'm gonna be giving here, and comma with what? Comma with what exactly? Columns. Columns is equal to, please be given array of list I'm gonna be creating in the list. Okay, I'm gonna be giving C capital letter, column 1, COL, and very I'm gonna be giving any name, it should short name. Please be go for COL 2. Okay, please be declare. One second, somebody is asking question. Column 3, and moreover column 4. So this is enough, but everything is should be capital letter. Anything you can give, all are small letters also. That's it, guys. Please just to be execute one more time. See, for column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. How many rows, guys? Please, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. It's we calling as what? Data frames. The tabulars, data rows and columns we calling as what? Anybody? Tabular. This is where we can able to declare data frames. So whatever we have declared data frames, okay, we can able to save into the file also. That is possible with the pandas. Okay. Okay. From last class to today class, what is the difference? We can handle with files, whatever data. So NumPy only tabular data we can experience, but that is can't be handled with files. So can able to store this information, this rows and columns of data, structural data. Can we able to store into the file? Yes, definitely. The data frame. So option we have all two option, two option, two with what? Are we going to be saving with the CSV file? Are we going to be saving with CSV file? Which file you want? Anybody help me? So do you want to store any file, any kind of file, please? Any kind of file. Shall we go for with CSV file? Yeah, or else Excel also. Okay. HDML also, PDF also, JSON also, to NumPy also, whatever may be. But I want to go for CSV file. And please be give your CSV file name. CSV file name. Please be open. And whatever the name, please be provide the file name. Okay, the file name is my data frame or anything, whatever may be, can able to give. What are the extension of this file, please? CSV. CSV. That's it. So please be store this. Please be store. Once if it is store, automatically this data frame this data frame is created. So whatever data, whatever tabular data we have created, that is storing into the CSV file or not? Yes or no here? The CSV file stored or not? Tell me. Yes. Have you successfully stored? Am I right? So up to this point, how to create a data frame with the data, with the file creating while getting data from NumPy we used. After creating data frame, how to store the data frame into the CSV file that we have experienced. Very good. But question is, sir, how we can able to retrieve? How we can able to access? Please let it be right down. Accessing that elements of the, let it be right down. Let me explain. Data frame. How? So before explanation, before trying to do that, here is a two options. Here is a two option. One is the first option is dot LOC. Dot LOC. The second option is dot ILOC. Two option here. Guys, please. LOC means what? It can handle, okay, names like age, maha, okay, example purpose. I'm giving strings, string, age, okay, letter A, whatever maybe, okay, yeah, this kind of thing. Maybe, for example, we can handle COL column 1. I can able to get column 1 data. Maybe I want to get row 1 data. Okay. I can give a name string. Got it very clearly? Index or column. I'll repeat here. This is an index name or column name. Rows are we calling as what? Index, please. As we discussed in the previous example also, rows here in the index, columns in the column zone. Okay, please. Means, so the name by using LOC, name zone, into a string zone. Either name, age, a, column 1, column 2. This we calling as what? Columns and indexes. Whatever name. But ILOC means what? Okay, it is integers. We have to give a number positioning. So how exactly we can able to go for indexing? Indexing starts with what? 0 or not? Tell me. Yes or no? 0 or not? Column 01, column 02, 02. This is what exactly? Am I right? Let me explain. You have already discussed so many times, but let me explain this. For example, let's say here is, so 0, 1, 2, 3. Am I right? Here also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I right? Clear? Yes, sir. So it is what exactly? Integer. Integer means what? Positioning. Position 1, 2, position of index. Position of index. Whatever. Okay. Got it very clearly. So for example, let me print. Let me print. Okay. So what are the data frame name which is given here? DF. DF is nothing but what? Data frame. In data frame, I want to print column 1. So I given a name, string name, am I right? It's like a directly we can print. This is what exactly. Can we able to print like this? Or else we can able to give print, okay, a df dot loc of index. What are the index name? Any index name. We can able to give any index name. Index name is row 1. I want to give row 1. Just to be print this row 1, row 2, row 3 or not, tell me. Clear. Row 1 data is what exactly? Anybody? Help me. Anybody? Row 1 data is 0, 1, please. Row 1 data is 0, 1, 2, 3 or not. Column 1 data is 0, 4, 8, 12 or not, tell me. Yes or no? So data frames, how to create data frames, how to store, how to save into the file, and how to retrieval. Here is what, whenever talking about column, that row data 0, 4, 8, 12, we got it. When you talk about column row 1, that means what? So the row data 0, 1, 2, 3, we got it. Clear? Any questions? We got it, this information. This is the way we can able to get this information. Okay, let me type it one more time. So dot LOC, dot LOC. So row 1. See, can we able to get that information? Yes or no? Up to this point, we can able to get the particular data frame, column or row only. But so can we able to get the complete information? I want to retrieve I want I want to select multiple columns, multiple rows of data. Can we able to do this? Not only specific row, specific column, but I want a combination of customized column and rows, multiple columns, multiple rows with that. Yes, definitely. For that, we should be used like this. Okay, same. So LOC, LOC. Okay, can you guess anybody? What are the syntax? Okay, as per your practice of NumPy, please. Column, column. That's it. Is this how we can able to use? We can able to it. Which are all options we have here? Here is what? Please be read out. Okay, so please be execute here. Can we able to get the complete total column or not? But sir, I don't want the complete data frame information, complete data. I want customized specific group of columns, specific group of rows only I want it. So this is what I need to do, please. So LOC means what? Can we able to provide integer value or string only? LOC means what? Dot LOC, we need to give only names only, am I right? Name from where? The first column is represents what exactly? Rows. The second column is represents what? Columns only. So from which row to which row? Which row to which row? So maybe I want to get information about row 1 to row 2 only. I don't want multiple rows. As we discussed, string only. Means what? Names only we need to give. We need to give only names only. Means what? We need to which row to which row. I want to go for row 1 to row 2. Capital letter row 2. Maybe I want to get column 1, column 2. Column 1 to column 2. That's it. Let it be execute. So I can able to get I can able to get what exactly. So I'm getting this information. Is it? Is it? So please anybody help me which data I want to retrieve. Can you select? Can I able to get this data? Yes, definitely. Okay. For that, what I need to do, please? Simply change it to the row 3 to row 4. Am I getting the same? But I want to get this information. I want to get this information. For that, what I need to do, please? Row 4 to row 5. But column 3 to column 4. Am I right? Is it very simple, very easy? Can anybody can do that? Am I right? Row 3, column 3 to column 4. Just been execute. Can we able to get 14, 15, 18, 19 or not? So this is the way we can able to get only for string name with names only. But sir, can we able to go for integer numbers? Yes, definitely we can. Definitely we can. So df dot ILOC, and please be declare. Can we able to get a complete data, complete table or not? Tell me. Yes or no? Sir, I want to get only uh, choose an existing same previous only. This information I need it. For this, what I need to do, please, anybody? Please, anybody. Can you guess what are the number which I need to give, First colon dot, colon, comma, colon. Okay. For instead of I means what? Integer, am I right? Not string. Here is what is exactly, please give. One second. Somebody is asking question. Somebody is giving a reply. Yeah. 0, 1. Let me give 0, 1. Somebody suggest me 0, 1. 0, 1 with rows. Am I right? 0, 1 and 0, 1. 0. That means what? We need to give 0 to 2. 0 to 2. That means what? It is considered index is from 0. That is, you need to understand. The column starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. Right now, we got it, this information. So 0, 1 second. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. The power is 1 second. Correctly type it. This is better, am I right? I also feel that better. I also feel this is a better way. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So this is what we have understood. Means what? We starting from where? 0, 1, 2. Okay. Let me explain above. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like rows also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So as of right now, 0 to 2 means what? 0 to 2 means what? I'm gonna be getting, so 0 to 3. Okay. Sir, I want to get information about, I want to get this information about these two. Okay. I need to this two. So simply I need to change what exactly, please? Very simple. Here is 1, 2, 3. That's it. Can able to get 2, 1, 2, 5, 6, am I right? Understood. So, but what are the difference you need to observe? What are the major difference between into observe? Two important things. So we have discussing about We are discussing about, please, LOC, LOC and ILOC. These two very important. Up to this point, what is the data frame? What is the data frame? And how to create a data into the data frame, how to save into the Excel, but how to get it. But my question is, so one more important point, series and data frame. So if it is single column, this that we calling as what? That we are calling as what? Tell me anybody, please. Anybody? Series, am I right? But if you got, if we got, for example, let me type of what data frame. So what are the data frame name, please? DF. Okay. Dot LOC. Okay. So row one. Okay. So is this data frame or else series? What is the result? Please check this whether this is a series or data frame. Please type it. The output will be series or data frame. Series. Why? Because single column, single dimension. Okay, let me give one more. For example, type I'm doing, type I want to come to know df dot IOC. Okay, 0, 0, 0 column, 0 column 2, comma, 0 column 2. Is it a data frame or series? Series or data frame? Data frame. Only. Because if it is a table of data, it is a multi-dimension. It's a data frame. It's a data frame. Okay. Simply recall what are the statement I given. So if it is a single column, single dimension series. One second, please wait. Waiting for me. Thanks for waiting for me. So I understood this very well up to this point. Okay. Then what next? So we understood what is a series, what are the data frame, and then what next? Sir, yeah, we got this up to this point. Okay, let us do some more exercises. Let us do some more exercises with the ILOC. So for example, let's say ILOC. Okay, I want to get, I want to get, I want to get information about 0. Okay, specific information about ILOC from where exactly? Start with 0 rows. Start with 0 rows. Columns will be start with 1. Start with 1. So please, I don't want first column. Just I remove first column. I don't want first column. I can able to eliminate this way. I can eliminate this way only. Column 2, column 3, column 4 only. Sir, Okay, I got a data frame, but sir, I want to get only for NumPy. Array only. I don't want data frame. This is a data frame, am I right? It's clear? Is it a data frame or not? But so in the last session, what we have done, please? Array only, am I right? So please get only values. If we get only values, see, it does look like a NumPy array or not, tell me. Understand? It is a data frame. It's a NumPy kind of array. In the last session, which is rows and columns. Okay, there is no column. Did I declare any columns here? Did I declare any rows here? Nothing. That is the difference. Please observe. Please observe here. Okay, this is a data frame. This is a array of NumPy of array. Okay, sir, I want to get count. I want to get count also. We have a different, but can we able to uh, get the same, the combination of these two? Please, I want to add these two before this cell of execution, this cell of execution. I want to do this combination. So what I need to do, please? Same, just to be copy this and paste here. Okay. I don't want the complete information. I don't want this. Okay. What I am getting, maybe 0 to 3 information, row information from 0 to 3, the column information 0 to 2 only. This information, this of data I want to need it. Okay, this information I want to see in a array. I can. Got it? Can able to 0, 1, 4, 5, 8, 9. This information. If you remove values, that is in data frame, columns names and rows names along with the data. But sir, I don't want a column name, row name. I want to get only values that automatically say in array, like an NumPy array. Understood? I want to shape. Same, just to be copy the same. Paste here, paste here. Shape, in yesterday in the last session, I have shown you shape. Shape means what? Huh? How many columns and how many rows we can able dimension. By using this shape, we can able to come to know this array, whatever the array we are going to be displaying is a 2 dimension, 1 dimension, we can able to come to know. See this 2 dimension. First of all, it is come to know. The shape is 2 dimension, but how many rows in this array? 3 column, 3 rows, 2 column. 1, 2, 3 rows, 2 columns. We can able to come to know like this. This is where we can able to handle the data into the data frame. Got it. Sir, I want to identify the null value. I want to identify the, is there any null value? So we are having a tabular data. Maybe some value we miss, we didn't enter. We are uploading, we are reading Excel or database, somewhere else null value, am I right? But how to identify the null value in the data frame? Definitely, we have a function called is null. These are all the functions automatically available. Is there any null value? See, all are false. Is there any true? Because we didn't miss anything in columns and rows. All are all are filled. I didn't provide any null value. I didn't provide any null value. That's what it is. Boolean written is false, not true. If any true, that means what? If at any place is true, that means null value. Got it? This is the way we can able to identify the particular location, which are all the null values also we can. Okay, but if it is null value, same thing. But how many times null values occur in a column? In a column one, how many null values? How many times null value? In a column two, how many null values? 0. This is a else we can able to. Sir, if it is a less data, we can follow this. But if we have a number of thousands of columns, thousands of rows, then simply I want to come to know some how many places we have. In a column one, how many places null value, how many times null value. Okay, I can able to get this. Clear? Understood this. Just speed print data frame simply. Yeah. This way also we can. Clear? So previously what we have experienced by using ILOC, we have used data frame. Okay. In the data frame, previously, please be scrolled up in the beginning. In the beginning, so I can get the information like this or not. What is the ILOC? Means ILOC, loco. What is the difference? Loco means what? Names. Okay. Choose anyone, but my choice is DF loco. Okay. I want to get a particular column. Column 1, column 3. Okay. I can able to get it. Okay. What is an error? Please read it. Okay. Instead of that, what I need to do, please? The name means what? Directly we can use it. One second. C capital letter. Ah, yes, true. Hmm. Okay. Directly also. Okay. But my question is, sir, I want to get a multiple columns. Yes, definitely I can. Column 1, I want to get it. Column 2, I want to get it. These two. Yes. Can able to get it or not? Tell me. Why? What is the reason? It's a problem. Guys, please, anything you can able to see? Please, let me repeat again. We got success. Okay, directly I can able to give. Directly if we can able to give. Okay, column 2, we should be get two column data or not? Tell me. But what is an issue here? It will be why it is fail. So in the funda, in the basic, in the beginning class, the variable can hold only one value. Am I right? That's what data structure not. In the data structure, what the first data structure we discuss? List. List can handle multiple values. Okay. DF, open braces, close braces, okay. But it is considered single value. It is considered single value. Is that in the single value, the column is there? Column is there? Is this with this name any column? Column? No. But I need to provide as array. Array is a single value. Right now? Understand? Okay, got it. Got it very clearly this point also. Sir, in this array, in this column 1, in this, okay, let me go for previous example. Okay, array, column 1, column 2, whatever may be, anything. Okay. Is there any unique value? Is there any, I want to get only unique. I don't want to get duplicate values. I don't want to get, I don't want get duplicate values. If you have any duplicate, I want to, I want to remove. Clear all. Understand? Single column. Let us go for single column. Yeah. Clear. Understand? Is there any duplicate value, automatically remove. This is a way also we can able to handle the data. Even if we have a duplicate, that we can able to remove. Got it up to this point? Sir, I have a one file. I have a one file. I have a one file. Uh, same data. Same data. I want to get it. I want to create one more file name. Maybe my text file, test file or text file, whatever may be. File that might be CSV file. Same data I want to copy paste. Okay, this file. This my new CSV file I want to read. Previously, in the beginning of the class, I have to save the data into the file, CSV file. I have successfully saved into the CSV file, but I have already an existing CSV file. How to read? We have experience write a data into the CSV file, but how to read? How to read? So same df data frame or else new object, a new file, a new variable I can able to go for pd dot read option. Previously dot two is two means what? Two means what? To save the data into the what exactly? But I want to read option. Read from where? From where? CSV. 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 But what are the file name? What are the file name? Hmm? My test, T small letter, test.csv. Test.csv. Let me try to execute. Okay. But how to get this information? df.head. What is the function name called? Head. Once if it is read the data, by default it won't be print. Please we go for head. How? How exactly? Anybody? Okay. By default, the file read is what exactly, please understand this point. It's very, very important. With separate with comma. The default symbol, it is taking step, comma. Sir, can we able to change it to semicolon? What will happen? Will it read it? Will this file is will be read it? Will this file is read it? Anybody? Please help me. Yes or no? Answer is no, because of the default, the symbol to separate the data with comma only, am I right? But I change to the comma to semicolon. Just give me, let it be changed to the all the places. Mm, save. Try to execute one more time, you'll get an error. Huh? Yes or no? Sorry, man. I have done it in DataFrame file. Unfortunately, I need to do it in my test file. Am I right? Okay. Right now, is it looks good? Does it look like a data frame? Hmm? What you need to do? By default is a comma. So can we able to separation? SEP separation with symbol. What is the symbol which we are gonna be using? Previously comma, default is comma, but I want to change it to the semicolon. Right now, yes. Understood. So data, the specific key name, key symbol, separate with what, which symbol, please be get it. Sometime maybe space also, sometime maybe semicolon, sometime maybe some symbol, any symbol. With that symbols only, special character, whatever maybe, we can able to separate the data and we can able to read. Okay, enough. I'm stopping this class at this moment. Okay, so today we have experienced how to create data, save the data, how we can read the file from CSV file. So more advanced, how we can able to handle JSON also. So more advanced by tomorrow class. Okay, pandas is very, very important. So to handle why? Because in tomorrow, maybe our first project which we are handling only chatbot application, but we need to train, we need to give information with the PDF file. How to read a PDF file? We need to give the complete our company information, the question and answer kind of. If you ask the question by customer, my chatbot has to reply or not. But how to give information with text files only, maybe CSV file, HTML files.